Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's our Shumatt channel. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in the commercial diesel parts, and our products include the injector, the valve assembly, the pumps, the repair kit, the SCV valve, etc. And today, I'm very happy to be here and introduce you one of our control valve to you, this one. And now please follow me. Let's check it together. Firstly, you will see the outside packages of this control valve, and on the outside package we use this kind of VCI anti-rust bags, and here this is the product SKU. And by the way, here Caitlin want to mention that for this kind of the packages, the label, the logo, etc. With Shumatt, we can supply the customized service for our customers. So any of the demands, if you want to make the customized service, please feel free to contact us. And now I will open it to see the inside. Inside packages, we use these transparent bottles to package it. It's very hard and can be better protect our product during the translation. And now we can roll it in this way and to open it. This is the oil paper. That's the inside product. You can take a look. For this valve assembly, we not only sell in the whole side, we also sell the separate parts, like this kind of the valve cap or the valve rod. For our products, I hear the valve cap, if you look carefully, you will find on the coating, there with the listed coating figures on the valve cap. Here. That's the valve rod. For our product, we should match supply with 6 months warranty time, and in this warranty time, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it. So you have the quality warranted. Here, Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean this kind of control valve, you'd better to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. The second tip is if you want to install it, you'd better to make sure the valve cap in the right position of the inject, and make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly of the inject body. So much for this one. As last, we not only selling the valve assembly, we also have the injector, the pumps, the repair kit, any other product. If you're interested, please feel free to contact us. At last, if you like our product or if you're interested about our videos, you can follow us at the YouTube or Facebook or the Facebook account. And feel free to contact us. So much for today. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. See you.